The Reserve Bank has restricted operations at Paytm Payments Bank after what we saw, of course, last week. But what actually led to this ultimately, and what did the Reserve Bank of India inspectors actually find?
Well, as per our sources, the Reserve Bank of India inspection found multiple lapses in the company, in the bank. One key lapse that they found was that centered around verification. So, customer documented. There were many customers without proper verification document, and in some cases even one verification document was used to open thousands of accounts, and in accounts there were millions of rupees of transactions that were much above the regulatory limit in minimum balance accounts. So these were all serious lapses in the bank that raised concerns of anti-money laundering, because the regulators did not realize who the end users are.
Anup, so we've seen the restrictions. Do we expect the RBI to take more action against it?
Well, our sources tell us that the Reserve Bank of India is seriously considering cancelling the license of the bank itself. That will be, so far, the RBI has restricted the operations of the bank. But if the license is cancelled, it will be, taking one more step, and a decisive step. So that is, as per our sources, under consideration. But for sure, nothing has been decided yet. It depends upon the representation of the company.
Now, Anup, okay, the company seems to have an entirely different version of the events. What are they?
So they are saying that they have cooperated with the regulators all the time, and whenever the regulator raised red flags about KYC norm, etc., they have fixed it and they have worked on it, and they actually found a few users violating the norms. They quickly worked on it, and whatever the regulator basically asked, that they promptly fixed it. That's the version of the company, and neither the company nor the promoter of the company, Vijay Shekhar Sharma, is under investigation by the Enforcement Directorate.
How about the future of 197, which is the parent company of Paytm? What are we expecting, Anup?
Well, the Fintech Paytm, that is the parent of the Paytm Payment Bank, continues to exist, and the payments bank license is in doubt. So Paytm is saying that they are trying to tying up with banks. India's largest bank, State Bank of India, has said that they are interested in the customers of Paytm Payment Bank, but they may not come for the rescue of the bank. So it remains to be seen if they can, make partnership with other banks. But it looks like the Reserve Bank of India may not keep the bank with the fintech company. They may lose the license or may have to sell it.
Anup, is there any wider implication for the fintech industry from what's happening now?
So the fintech industry, this is a one-off case. The Reserve Bank of India had given enough time. It has been warning about the issues in the bank since 2018. 2 years ago, in 2022, it had said that fix the issue. Probably they didn't fix, and in 2024, we are seeing the action. So the Reserve Bank of India has given enough time, and it doesn't really harm the others in the industry, but confidence is shaken, and of course it will lead to probably more seriousness among the players, that maybe you should take Reserve Bank of India seriously when it says something.